Entrepreneurs. Who are these business people? Why entrepreneurship? Why business? If the answer is to make money, then how much? For what? People say there is a purpose of every human on this planet. If there is a purpose for every human being, then don't you think there is a purpose of a business as well? Don't you think there is a hard reason for you to be an entrepreneur? If you're an entrepreneur or if you're a business person, then I'm very sure that you have a purpose. I believe any entrepreneur or any business person, when he becomes a business person or when he takes that decision of taking business as his career, there is something much more than just making money. I really believe this. Hi, I'm Praveen Bhandari, the business branding specialist. And in this particular podcast, I just want to talk about little bit about entrepreneurship and the business people and what I believe about these people. See, as an entrepreneur, when I look at myself, sometimes I ask this question, why I'm doing what I'm doing? What is the real purpose? Why I am struggling so much? Is it just the money that I want to make? Is it the power that I want to take? Is there something more to it? The way we are living, guys, I'm especially addressing this to entrepreneurs and the business people who are listening to me. The way we are doing this is, guys, we are in a race to make money. I want you to take a pause and listen to this podcast and understand what I'm trying to say here. Yes, I agree with you. We have to make money. We will make a hell lot of money. But is it the only thing that's why we are doing the business? This one question is something which is missing in the whole calculation. Is it money? Really? I don't think so. Guys, understand this. What we are doing is we are solving some kind of a problem on this planet. Now we have moved beyond the planet. Yes. In the process of achieving the targets and achieving that goal or making that money, we actually forgot why we started this business at the first place. We completely forgot what really we want to achieve by doing what we are doing. Guys, please understand, this is not just about money. You guys are great souls. You are trying to do something very different, but you have opted for entrepreneurship because you want to solve certain problem for human beings. Then what is that problem that you're trying to solve? What is that solution that you have? For who you want to solve this problem? How do you want to make people's life better by using your product or service? When you get into the depth of this, you will realize there is a hard-wired subconscious that's telling you, boss, this is why you're doing this. But the problem is we are not listening to it. There is a small voice in your head which continuously telling you this is why you should keep on going. Guys, we are just ignoring it. They are the people who has the capacity to change the things the way things are working outside. They are the people who has got this power to make the things better. We understand the problem. We can think why this is a problem at the first place. If this is a problem, then we know how to get into the core of that problem. When we get into the core of that problem, that's when we come out with the solution. That's called idea. The ideation starts. And then we come up with something really beautiful, the solution. But somewhere in the process, when we start with something that we really want to do, with the purpose, with the mindset, somewhere we get lost in the process of making money. I want you to take a pause and really want you to think hard. Why have you started this? Please ask yourself. On these lines, I'll be making a lot of podcasts because I really want entrepreneur friends to understand this is not about making money, guys. This is not just about making money. You have the right to make money. But my mentor said, money is a certificate of appreciation. Yes, that's what he said, and I really believe that. Let's come together. There is a way to take this forward. As I said, I'll be making a lot of audios on this, or a lot of podcasts on this direction. I'm sure you will love this. With that, I'm Praveen Bhandari, the business branding specialist, signing off. Thank you.